In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an Airtable form in just 5 minutes. Airtable is a versatile platform known for its capability to help you build next-generation apps with ease. Whether you're new to Airtable or a seasoned user, understanding how to edit forms is a fundamental skill that significantly enhances your productivity and workflow. Let's dive in and simplify the process for you step by step. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and go to the Airtable website. You can do this by typing in the URL directly or using a search engine. Once you've navigated to Airtable's homepage, you'll see the option to sign in prominently displayed. Click on Sign in to proceed. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials. If you're new to Airtable, you'll have to create an account first, which is a straightforward process. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Airtable home screen. This is your central hub where you can access all your bases and projects. Look for the specific base containing the form you wish to edit. Click on it to open that base. At this stage, it's crucial to be sure of the base you're working with, as the right form resides here. Next, you'll need to click on Form. Forms are just one of the many views you can create in Airtable designed to gather information efficiently. When you choose the Form view, Airtable allows you to create and customize forms that can be shared with others for data collection. With the Form view open, you can easily navigate through different forms if your base has multiple. Now, to proceed with editing, click on the specific form you want to modify. Hover your cursor over the form to reveal the Edit option, usually presented as a pencil icon or simply labeled as Edit. Click on it to access the editing mode. Here you can make various adjustments, whether it's changing field types, modifying existing fields, or adding new ones. You might also want to rearrange fields to better capture the data structure you envision. The interface here is intuitive, allowing for drag and drop functionality to reorder elements seamlessly. Remember to regularly save your changes by clicking on the Save button if Airtable doesn't automatically do so for you. By following these steps, you should now be able to effectively edit any form within Airtable, streamlining your data collection process. Feel free to explore other features offered by Airtable to further enhance your productivity, and stay tuned for more efficient ways to manage and utilize your data resources.